Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. So the front half of this has PPF paint protection film on it, full fender, full hood, headlights included, full front bumper. You also have it on the side mirrors and this A-pillar to about right there, and this little gloss black trim. All of that is fully protected in PPF paint protection film. Looking at these wheels, I don't see any curb rash. Now there are a couple tiny scuffs here. 275 3521. Date code of these tires are 2022. I'm looking at the tread. There you go. I have a rock impact here on that film. You're going to have your typical swirls from everyday washing, and you're going to have little imperfections in the PPF here. Lower side looks good. A couple little spots on the film here. A-pillar looks good. You have a rock chip there, and you can see it actually impacted the glass, and then there. Got a chip there, and a couple more. Here on the side mirror. Few small rock impacts. Once again, has PPF on it. Typical swirls from everyday washing. These stickers will be removed, so don't worry about that. This is on consignment here, and so once we are done with it, it's going to go back to the owners. So we left those on there for them. This tire has a little chunk missing out of it with some rash and a chip. I don't see any curb rash though on the wheel. The panel looks good. That looks nice. That roof looks good. Full clip here, fully protected in PPF. And here on that edge, you can see the film is lifting and it has a lot of dirt underneath. Headlights look good. You're gonna have some water stains. Now this should be just on the film, so you can polish the film a little bit to try to remove some of that. We do offer paint correction and ceramic coating here in-house. A couple chips. For the most part though, looks really good. Here on that front end, typical rock impacts. You can see they filmed right over the sensor instead of trimming it out. So you're gonna have kind of that little air pocket. You got rock impacts throughout that front. It's hard to tell if it's underneath that film, you know, if it was pre-existing, or if it's just in the film. Looking at this front bumper, of course you do have some rash. A little bit of rash on the edge. But here about a foot or two away, looks really good. Fender looks nice. Small amount of rash there. I don't see any curb rash. Date code 2022. Looking at that tread. Little bubbles in here, a couple rock impacts. A-pillar looks nice. You have the large chip there. A couple more on the upper section. Got some snags in the film. Another impact on that. Quarter panel looks good. All of that looks nice. Date code on the tires is 2022. I'm not seeing any curb rash on that wheel. You see the tires are kind of gunked up, but the tread looks good. There's a little scuff here. It's very light. And then you have typical swirls Little marring and stuff. Like I said, we do paint correction and make that look tip top. That lower side looks good. A little bit of wear here on the exhaust tips. Otherwise, this thing looks really good. All right, check out this interior. Absolutely gorgeous color. It is a non-smoker, and it is in really good condition. Looking at that panel, looks really nice. Buttons are nice and clean. Very little wear on the edge. That lower section looks good. Minor scuffs here on that trim. That all looks nice. A couple scuffs here, little one there, and a few on that bolster. Otherwise, that seat is in great condition. Looking at the steering wheel, middle section looks good. Those buttons are clean. Same there. A little bit of wear, discoloration on that lower section. A couple minor scuffs on the edge. Otherwise, in great condition. That leather looks good. Upper side of the dash is beautiful. I do see a rock chip there on the glass. The screen looks good. You do have some heavy scratches and chips right there. It looks like they tried to touch it up a little bit. Besides that, this looks beautiful. Here on the back left door panel, it's in great condition. The trim looks good. Buttons look awesome. These seats are really nice. I'm not seeing really any flaws that stand out. Small marking right there. That seat back looks good. You have a couple markings there. Otherwise, looks awesome back here. Beautiful interior. All right, here on the front right door panel, a couple small chips there. Got a few there. One right there. Overall, that trim looks good. A little marking here. That bolster looks amazing, and the rest of that seat pretty much perfect. Very, very clean. Love the floor mats. Here on the underside of the glove box, that looks good. Right here on the tip top edge, there's a little chip. Upper side of that looks nice. The rest of that is in great condition. Beautiful interior. Here on the back right door panel, you got a tiny scuff right there. This all looks good though. A little bit of wear here. Carpets are amazing. Looking at the seats, gorgeous. Really love this interior. Here on the seat back, I do see a tiny scuff there. Other than that, looks perfect. Got a massive trunk. That carpet's in great condition. Same here. And scanning through the engine bay here. Looks really nice.